Whether you're an individual seeking to build your dream steel home or a major corporation in need of additional space, by clicking on the link below, you will get big savings. When you come to our site, you not only access all the information you can need for steel buildings, you get access to just about every product you need for your metal building needs in one place. Go to the one-stop shop for all things in metal buildings now. Click the link below.